We understand si CJ Hero was included dun sa complaint. What's the status of Miss Hero and what are your intentions with regard to her? Is she being
Person of
summoned?
interest?
Is she being, what's the status po?
CJ Hero was included in the complaint affidavit of
Opo.
the personnel of speaker. So she is not included yet doon po sa charges na ipinail namin because we will investigate kung ano talagang participation niya. I think the reason why she was included doon po sa complaint affidavit nung tao di speaker because siya po yung nandun sa video na nag-introduce.
Siya yung on camera.
Siya po yun. Parang siya nagsasabi na gumawa siya ng research, siya yung naggawa niya. So ngayon po, sinampina po namin siya to appear dito po sa NBI para magbigay po ng linaw. At based on her statement sa other evidence, doon po namin malalaman kung isasama po namin siya sa kaso.
Okay, so may subpoena na po. You released the subpoena already.
Yes, opo, nagpasampina na po kami.
Yung subpoena po kay CJ Hero, it is not naman mandatory for her to appeal, di ba? I'm assuming that it is not an arrest warrant or of any sort. She's being invited lamang to give clarity.
Subpoena po yun. May subpoena power po ang NBI. Kung hindi po siya dumalo,
Mission siya ng
base
warrant.
po sa aming magiging findings, yun po yung magiging actions namin. And wala man po kaming contempt power under the rules of court. Kung gusto namin siyang i-obligate, we can go to court and file a contempt proceeding para po maperso siyang dumalo. Pero I suggest na dapat po dumalo siya para po siya mismo may paliwanag ng partisipasyon po niya.